Step into the future with the Nothing Phone 1, a device that's more than just a smartphone. Behold the 6.55-inch OLED display, a window to a world of vibrant colors and fluid motion with a 120 Hz refresh rate protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The heart of this phone is the Snapdragon 778G plus 5G chipset, with 8GB or 12GB RAM options and 128GB or 256GB storage. Capture the essence of your world with the 50MP dual camera setup, featuring a primary wide-angle OIS lens and an ultra-wide-angle secondary with AF. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 16MP front camera. The unique glyph interface on the back creates a symphony of lights for notifications, charging progress, and even as a camera fill light. And let's talk endurance. The 4500 mAh battery with 33W wired and 15W wireless charging support. Wrapped in a transparent design that's IP53 splash resistant, the Nothing Phone 1 is as durable as it is elegant. Join us as we explore the intersection of technology and art. Subscribe for more insights into the most intriguing devices the tech world has to offer.